Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very exciting video. I did a little bit of a shoe haul. It's been a while since I bought some shoes. So before the season begins, I like to do my shopping for the season and be set for the season, and I like to buy a bunch of shoes or bags, whatever I want to do before I really get into the summer fashion, So I like to purchase all of my shoes, all the shoes that I like to show in my videos, that I like to pair with my outfits according to the latest trends. So this is my summer shoe haul. This is honestly one of the most exciting videos for me. I am a huge shoe junkie. I absolutely love shoes. Having the Sex and the City shoe wall is my dream, and I just cannot get enough shoes. But this video is super uber exciting because I have some Zara heel dupes for you guys from Meesho. I also don't like to spend a lot of money on one single pair of shoes, because then I feel like, okay, I can buy 5 pairs of shoes for this amount of money and have all the variety that I want. And especially being a fashion content creator, trends keep changing, all of that just keeps changing. So anyway, I know I'm gonna want to buy something new in about 7-8 months or so. So I don't like to buy extremely expensive shoes, and Meesho's just been killing it, and I found some amazing heel dupes on Meesho. You would be so excited. I have seen these Zara heels everywhere, and I've duped some of the most exciting shoes for you. So you want to stay and watch this video. And also, by the way, please ignore the lighting situation today. The sun is out in full swing and I'm filming at odd hours that I usually don't film in, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So the first Zara pair I'm going to be duping is this one. I actually have some other shoes as well, not completely dupes of Zara, all of them. Some of them are, but I'm going to keep telling you which ones of them are and which ones of them aren't. But all of the shoes that I got, I'm obsessed with. So I'm going to attach a picture of the Zara heels that I'm talking about somewhere on the screen. But these are the first pair of heels that I got from Meesho. So these are clear heels with a rhinestone strap knotted and running in the front. This is like a 3-inch heel, which is the most perfect heel height for me, about 2 to 3 inches, maybe 3.5, but I'm not going over 3.5 anymore unless it's like a very special occasion. This is the heel height that I personally feel the most comfortable in. Of course, I'm not going to be walking a marathon in these, but for going to the mall, for brunch, all of that fun stuff you can do in this kind of heel height. So it is a pointy toe, as you can see. I found these on Meesho, and you can see the Zara pair is actually pretty similar looking. I got these for 760 rupees, so this is like 1/5 of the price of the Zara heels, and I know I'm gonna wear these a lot. They go with everything. They're nude and they're shiny, so they literally go with every single thing in your wardrobe. They're kind of comfortable as well. There's padding. The only thing that I don't like are these sling back straps. I'm a mules girl. I absolutely love just slipping and sliding into my shoes and slipping and sliding out of my shoes. I think mules are the most comfortable kind of shoes to wear, so I'm most likely gonna take out this strap, which I do with a lot of my shoes. I've already done that to some of my other shoes I'm gonna show you, but I do end up taking these sling back straps out. I just cut them, and then all you gotta do is slip into your shoe, and I feel like it gives me better balance without this, because then my foot is not getting dragged to the front because of the pressure that comes with the sling back. I find it a little bit more comfortable when it's just a mule, so I'm most likely gonna get rid of the sling back. But yeah, these were 760 rupees, and I'm also gonna pop like a try on section somewhere so you can see how they actually look on the foot. But I'm obsessed. These are so good. They are so perfect for the summertime. I absolutely love clear heels. I feel like, especially for someone like me who wants to make their legs look a little bit longer, because I'm a petite girl, clear heels just do it for me. The next pair I got, I've actually worn these outside already, but these were super comfortable. I only wore these for dinner, so they were comfortable for dinner. So these heels, I'm pretty sure you must have seen very similar heels going around in a lot of different places, but these have been super famous from Zara. I've seen these all over the place, and I actually didn't want to spend 5,000 rupees on a single pair of heels. I got these from Meesho for 852 rupees, and I think they are really nice dupes of the Zara ones. They're super pointy. They make your foot look extremely beautiful. They're very comfortable, and I can't really cut the straps out from this because there's like a tightening thing, but this strap is not as uncomfortable because you can tighten it and adjust it according to your foot. So they look really nice, and I picked these up in a blush pink kind of color because I thought I need a bunch of neutral colors for the summertime. So I got this in a blush pink color, and again this has like a similar heel height of about 3 inches. These are actually pretty good quality. I'm really impressed with these and I love them. So this is the second pair I got. The third pair I got, these are actually pretty similar to two of the Zara heels that I've seen recently. But these, you can see I've already taken out the sling back straps from this, and now this is just a mule. So this is much more comfortable for me, but it did come with a sling back clear strap, but I took it out like I said. Now these actually look white on the Meesho app. I'm also going to attach the picture of the Meesho seller platform so you can see what they look like on the app. But these came out to be silver, and I don't mind that because I do wear silver a lot as well. And these are super comfortable, again with the same kind of 3-inch heel height, and I really love them. But the only problem with this kind of pair is that the stones on top have been falling off. I do have similar stones in some face stickers, so I think I'm just gonna super glue them on top of this. But I don't like that I'm already losing a few stones on top of this. That's not like amazing quality. I wouldn't say these are like top-notch quality, but these are so beautiful and they look really nice on the foot. I love the pointiness and I love the structure and I love how the heel height is. And I got these for 703 rupees. So Zara heels are literally 5,000 rupees. So if you want to dupe them, you can find some amazing dupes on Meesho. So go ahead and check Meesho out. I'm going to leave all of these links in the description box below for you guys. So if you're interested in any of these shoes, you will find the links below. But yeah, that was the next pair I got. Okay, these next ones aren't exactly the same as some Zara heels, but they're very similar to what Zara is selling currently. These are kitten heels, and kitten heels are also huge right now. Pointed kitten heels, I'm obsessed. And this was also available in like a tan color, and I wanted to pick up the tan one as well. I'm gonna leave the links for all of these similar ones as well in the description box, so everything is easy for you to find. But this is like a beige golden chain kind of heel, and I do wear gold a lot. Most of my rings, most of my bracelets, most of my earrings are gold. Today I'm wearing some funky ass earrings, but yeah, most of the times I'm wearing gold jewelry. So my bags also have a lot of gold hardware, so this will go with a lot of my jewelry and bags. And I absolutely love how pointy it is, especially because this is a mule and it's an open toe. Such a point can become really uncomfortable to wear if your shoe is like a closed pump type shoe. Then your toes are really squished together, but when it's in an open toe form, it's much easier to wear. I haven't worn these out yet, but I'm very excited too. This only has a 2-inch heel, so it's a very nice comfy kitten heel, and it makes your legs look beautiful and your feet look great and delicate. So I absolutely love these, and these were incredibly cheap. I got these only for 425 rupees, which is just crazy because they're really nice and they're super comfortable and they feel amazing and look great. They definitely don't look like something that only costs 425 rupees. Come on. I also want to talk about this pair of Zara heels. I absolutely loved these and I wanted to find a dupe for these, and I did find it on Meesho. So this is the one that I found on Meesho, and I actually ordered it and it looked so beautiful. I even shot a video with it. Like I just wore it around the house and I tried it on and I shot a video with it. It looked beautiful, but the size was so off. The sling back was kind of pushing my foot. It just didn't feel that comfortable to wear. So I got it in a size smaller, and the smaller size was just not giving. And then I thought maybe I'll cut off the sling back strap and then it'll look great. But then it was super uncomfortable to walk in because there was not too much structure around the toes to support the area. So I did give it up and I returned all of it without damaging any of it and wearing any of it out. So if you are interested in it, you can definitely give this a try because it's a very famous Zara heel again, and this dupe is also really beautiful looking, and you get it in a bunch of different colors as well. So if you're interested in this dupe, I'm gonna link that below for you guys as well. But I got it and I returned it and I wasn't happy with it, so I'm not recommending it per se, but you know, your money, your choice. So I wanted a white pair as well, and I picked this up. This is what it looks like. It's like a bow knot kind of situation. Bows are huge this season as well. In the head, in a belt, in a shoe, in a bag, bows are doing the rounds. Girly bows are just everywhere. So I thought this would be so cute to have in a shoe. And this also has a heel height of around 3 inches. So it's a very nice, comfortable pair to wear. It elevates your look and looks really perfect for the summertime. I love wearing whites for the summertime, and it's so beautiful. I don't know if this is like a Zara dupe per se, but I do think it's really beautiful by itself. And this one I got for 565 rupees. So I think for 565 rupees, These were super cute and I really love them. I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this because I do wear whites a lot in the summertime. Okay, I think this is the cheapest pair of heels I got. This is 475 rupees only, and these are like minimal black heeled sandals. So they are like thong heels, square toe, and I just absolutely love them. They're not as stable and comfortable as the other ones. In fact, this is not very comfortable. I basically only kept this because it just looks so beautiful. It looks so dainty, so elegant. It's so easy to style, and I don't really like chunky black footwear because then it's very, very stark, and black is just a very dark color to have on your foot, and it cuts off the leg and it makes your legs look short. So whenever I'm wearing black heels, I want them to be kind of minimal and have thin straps so it's not taking a lot of surface area on the foot and it doesn't cut off my height. So it just looks really, really beautiful. If you're trying to walk in these, you're gonna cry because they're very, very uncomfortable, but they just look so good. I'm being honest with you guys. I just kept them because I do shoot a lot of fashion content, and also they look really, really beautiful in videos, but I'm not sure if I'll be wearing these out a lot. I've actually already done that once and my feet did start paining a little bit, but oh my god, they look so gorgeous. I cannot. These are like the perfect minimalist pair. I guess we are done with the Zara dupes now. We're just talking about all the rest of the shoes that I bought at this point. Like I said, I'm obsessed with clear heels, and red is another huge trend this year. So I wanted to pick up some red heels and I found these on Meesho, and oh my god, I am obsessed with these. These are, I think, the most comfortable. No, I have something else. But these are the most comfortable pair of heels I got from Meesho. I actually have two pairs of shoes that I bought from Myntra, which I'm going to be including in this video itself. But these were the most comfortable pair of shoes from Meesho. They have such a nice padding on the heel, and it's just such a nice looking pair. Look at the square toe, but it's not a very big chunky square where it makes your foot look really huge. It's such a delicate little shape, and the heel height is around 3.5 inches. There's a lot of padding on the ankle, and I love that even though red is such a bold color, when it's in this minimal form, like you can only see it on the side, you can only see it on the top of the foot. It's very, very easy to style this way. It's not a boom like bang red shoe. It's not a very difficult to style shoe. You know, clear shoes are so easy to style. Clear shoes are so comfortable to style, so easy to just incorporate into any outfit. And also these are mules, so you guys already know by now what I feel about mules. I love mules, and honestly I loved these so much, and they are so comfortable that I actually want to pick these up in black, because the other black ones I got are not that comfortable, even though they're cute, but they're not comfy. So I think I'm gonna pick these up in black, and I have to see how much they were. So these were 499 rupees, you guys. For 499 rupees, I think these are awesome. You need to check them out. They were also available in a bunch of different colors and so many beautiful colors to choose from. I would highly recommend this. These are beautiful and comfortable. And the last pair that I got from Meesho, these I actually picked up in black. But you know, Meesho does this sometimes where they send you a different color. But I wasn't too mad because I don't really have a lot of orange shoes, especially like pointy orange mules. Oh my god, look at these. They are so gorgeous and so beautiful. However, I did see like a different kind of heel type, and I think that would be more comfortable because this is not very comfortable. It just looks really nice in photos and videos, and I do that sometimes because this is my job. So I do pick up a lot of things just for photos and just for videos, like outfits and shoes and things like that. But if you're actually trying to wear all of your stuff outside, then I would say that these are a little uncomfortable. However, the ones I'm going to link down below might be a little bit more comfortable because the heel looks a little bit smaller and a little bit more comfortable. So I'm going to link these down below for you guys, but I absolutely love these. They look so bomb. But these are like killer heels. They're like 4.5 inches. Like, come on, that's brutal. That's very, very difficult, especially when there's no platform. But they look just absolutely stunning. They're a statement heel, you know. This is not a minimal, clear heel that is easy to style. This is like the piece that you build your outfit around. If I'm gonna wear these heels, the rest of my outfit has to be pretty muted, so all you notice are these heels. So that is the next pair I got. And we're done with all of the heels from Meesho, but I did pick up 2 pairs of heels from Myntra. I actually wanted a wedge heel for the summertime and I saw these on Myntra, and oh my god, you guys, when I tell you, you don't know how comfortable a pair of heels can get until you wear these. These are not going to be as cheap as the Meesho ones, but they're not extremely expensive either. So these I got for 1500 rupees. These are from the brand 20 Dresses, and I actually picked up 2 pairs from 20 Dresses only. But this pair of shoe is so soft. There is so much padding on the ankle, and you also have support with these 2 clear straps, and then there is a wedge heel, and this heel is 2.5 inches only. So this is sometimes even more comfortable than flats because your ankle is not straight away touching the ground. There is some support between your heel and the ground. And you guys, I've worn these so much, they're filthy. This is the heel that I've been picking up constantly. Every time I need to go out, every time I'm gonna do something, I'm basically only grabbing this pair at this point because this is my favorite pair right now. And in the summertime it looks so good with like a jute bag because the wedge is a jute heel. This is so good. This is the first time I'm trying heels from 20 Dresses, and I've been so impressed because their heels are just doing it for me. They're so comfortable, they're giving all kinds of trendy, and I'm obsessed. If you're looking for a clear wedge, oh my god, look no further. They will go with every single thing in your wardrobe. You want to wear them with shorts, jeans, skirts, dresses, pants, whatever you want to wear them with, they go with everything. So pick these up. If you're only gonna pick 1 pair of heels from this entire video, I would recommend you pick these up, and maybe the red clear ones, they're really nice as well. But these ones, oh my god, you will wear these everywhere. And the last pair of heels I got are also from 20 Dresses. I got these from Myntra, and how much were these for? I got these for 1445 rupees, so 1500-ish. And oh my god, these are another one of my absolute favorite heels. I cannot get enough of this. I needed some wedge heels for the summertime, and when I found this, I died and went to heaven. This is just crazy. But the only problem was they came with an ankle strap. Ankle straps and I don't get along. I hate when shoes come with ankle straps. I'm not trying to cut off my leg. I am not an ankle strap girl, even though I know ankle straps provide a little bit more support and give a little bit more comfort. I understand all of that. But ankle straps and I just do not get along. I feel like they just look a little dated on me, and also they cut off the leg length, you know. I like my legs to look super long, and ankle straps don't do that. So she cut off the ankle straps off of this shoe. They're not attached to this shoe anymore. So this is now like a wedge mule heel. Mules are my absolute favorite shoes of all time. This has a gold, like a dull gold kind of wedge and a dull gold heel, and they have like a very stunning square toe. It looks so modern and so sexy. These are by the brand 20 Dresses, and they are so comfy. This is like a 3-inch heel, and the amount of padding there is on the toe, you guys, you will be obsessed. They're extremely comfortable. They look so stunning and so beautiful. I'm gonna attach a video so you guys can see how absolutely amazing these are. The perfect metallic summer shoe. Metallics are also huge this season, so the perfect metallic summer wedge. Oh my god, and with that we are done with this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do let me know your favorite pair in the comments down below. I'm so excited to wear all of these shoes and style all of these shoes for my fashion videos. If you haven't checked them out, I post them on my Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. So check out my short videos as well if you're interested to see how I style all of these pieces. Links for all of these are going to be in the description box below. Don't forget that. Posing for the thumbnail. Let me know if you like to see Meesho hauls, because I can do other hauls as well, like dress hauls and skirts and pants and things like that. If you like Meesho hauls, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you super soon in my next one. Mwah. Bye.